Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best electric grinders is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable kitchen appliances you can own, transforming whole spices into fragrant powders, grinding coffee beans for that perfect morning brew, or even chopping nuts and herbs for your culinary creations with unparalleled ease and speed, making it an essential tool for any home cook looking to elevate their dishes with fresh flavors and textures. Number 5. KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper KFC 3516 CU. Introducing the KitchenAid 3.5 Cup Food Chopper. It's designed to make your food preparation tasks quick and easy. The convenient 3.5 cup work bowl includes a locking blade, a handle, and a pour spout. Cleanup is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe. Its small footprint makes it perfect for any countertop. Plus, the simple cord wrap allows for neat storage when not in use. With 2 speeds and a pulse function, you can achieve coarse or fine results. It's perfect for everything from pico de gallo to creamy hummus. Easily add liquid ingredients for sauces and dressings while processing. The drizzle basin ensures smooth incorporation every time. The stainless steel multi-purpose blade locks in place for precise chopping or pureeing. It also makes pouring your creations convenient. What we like? If you need a compact chopper for everyday tasks, this is a great choice. Its small footprint and easy-to-clean design make it perfect for small kitchens or those who value convenience. The pour spout and locking blade add extra functionality for simple prep work. What people say. The 2 speeds are actually quite different from each other, unlike many of other similar choppers on the market. Low is perfect for chopping and high is perfect for blending and pureeing. The blade is situated close to the bottom of the container, so you don't have worry about the blade free spinning above your ingredients. It picks up everything. The drip hole is also perfect for making emulsions like mayonnaise. It dispenses the perfect amount of oil to emulsify, and you don't need to stop the chopper, or even open the lid. Number 4. Cool Night Electric Herb Grinder. Introducing the Cool Night Electric Herb Grinder, designed for efficiency and ease. It's perfect for grinding herbs, spices, coffee beans, and more, saving you valuable time. Grind up to 120 g of herbs in just 5 to 10 seconds with its impressive speed. Achieve your desired coarseness, from coarse to fine, in mere seconds. Operating this grinder is incredibly simple. Just press down on the lid to start, and lift your hand to stop. The lid also acts as a safety switch, ensuring it only runs when properly closed. Crafted with a 304 stainless steel inner tank and high-quality stainless steel blades, this grinder is built to last. Its unique blade design ensures 360-degree grinding and an astonishing 30,000 revolutions per minute. Cleaning is a breeze with the included brush. Plus, the detachable power cord makes storage simple and space-saving. What we like? For those who process large quantities of herbs or spices quickly, this electric grinder is ideal. Its high speed and large capacity mean less time spent grinding and more time enjoying your culinary creations. If you frequently prepare large batches of seasoned dishes or need to grind herbs for multiple uses, this will save you significant time. What people say. This grinder is very powerful and grinds coffee beans quickly and evenly. The stainless steel blades are sharp and durable, making it easy to grind spices and herbs. The compact design makes it easy to store in a kitchen cabinet. Number 3. Automatic Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Introducing our automatic salt and pepper grinder set. Experience effortless seasoning with just one hand, perfect for any cooking situation. These grinders feature convenient Type-C fast charging, getting you back to cooking in no time. A quick charge is all you need for daily use. Achieve your desired spice texture with 5 adjustable coarseness levels. Enjoy the full aroma of freshly ground spices with every meal. The transparent spice chamber lets you easily see the spice type and how much is left. Its large capacity means fewer refills. An integrated LED light automatically turns on when you grind, ensuring precise seasoning even in low light. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This stylish and practical grinder set is ideal for housewarmings, holidays, and anyone who loves to cook. This set includes 2 grinders, perfect for salt and pepper or your favorite herbs and spices. Keep flavors separate and enjoy convenience. What we like? If you're looking for a modern and convenient way to season your food, this set is perfect. The Type-C fast charging and one-hand operation make it incredibly user-friendly, especially during busy cooking moments. It's also a fantastic gift option for anyone who appreciates practical and stylish kitchen gadgets. What people say. The grinder is very powerful and grinds coffee beans to a fine powder in seconds. It has a sleek and compact design that looks great on the countertop. The grinder is easy to clean, with a removable stainless steel bowl. Number 2. 1100W Corded Immersion Blender Set. Tired of lumpy textures? This powerful blender, with its 1100W motor, delivers incredibly smooth purees in seconds. It makes blending and chopping a breeze. Achieve perfect results with its easy-to-use variable speed trigger. Simply adjust the speed with one touch for precise control and less mess. Its unique blade guard prevents scratches on your pots and pans. Enjoy a cleaner kitchen with less splashing during use. Designed for comfort, its ergonomic grip ensures a secure and non-slip hold. It's the perfect gift for anyone who loves to cook. Swap out attachments with a simple click for quick cleaning. This durable appliance is UL approved for your safety and peace of mind. Blend hot ingredients safely thanks to its reinforced, food-grade blades. The included breaker and chopper are also BPA-free for your well-being. What we like. If you need a versatile tool for a wide range of kitchen tasks, from soups to smoothies, this immersion blender is your best bet. Its powerful motor and variable speed control offer excellent performance for pureeing, emulsifying, and whipping. The included attachments make it a true 5-in-1 solution for any home cook. What people say. The 1100W power really makes a difference. It blends smoothly and quickly. I've used it for soups, frozen fruit smoothies, and even baby food, and everything comes out perfectly creamy. The chopper works great for onions and nuts, and the whisk is perfect for egg whites or whipping cream. I really like the variable speed trigger because it gives better control. The immersion attachment is easy to clean with the sprayer on my faucet. A little soap on my dish brush helps me clean under the blade. It takes 15 seconds to clean with the dish brush. Number 1. Sangcon Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Introducing the Sangcon Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. Experience the ease of one-handed operation with advanced gravity sensing technology. Simply flip it over, and enjoy freshly ground spices. Achieve your desired spice texture with our adjustable ceramic grinder. From fine to coarse, it perfectly grinds pepper, salt, and other granular spices to suit any dish. Our grinders feature a built-in blue LED light that illuminates as you season. This allows you to precisely control the amount of seasoning, even in low light, adding a touch of ambience to your meals. Enjoy extended use with its upgraded larger capacity. The clear, BPA-free acrylic bottles make it easy to see when a refill is needed, and the separate motor design ensures easy cleaning and refilling. This battery-powered set is a must-have for any kitchen, restaurant, or picnic. It makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion, bringing convenience and style to any culinary experience. If the grinder seems stuck, simply adjust the coarseness knob to the widest setting. This will clear any blocked granules. Our 24/7 support is also available to assist with any concerns. What we like. If you appreciate effortless operation and a touch of modern elegance in your kitchen, this gravity grinder set is a great pick. The automatic grinding with a simple flip and the built-in LED light make seasoning precise and convenient, even in dim lighting. It's ideal for those who want a stylish and functional addition to their dining table or kitchen. What people say. It starts and stops as you turn it up. The buttons for flow adjustment are an added feature that doesn't come on all brands. These are so convenient because you just grab and turn it and it starts grinding automatically. These are a great quality item. I've been using my set for about 6 months and have since bought sets to give as gifts. Product works excellently and is exactly as described. Seems to be good quality and great addition to my kitchen tools. Love that the coarseness of the grind is adjustable and the light makes seeing what you are adding so much easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.